this video, we will examine the primary container used by Unity to populate scenes, the game object. We will also explore the Inspector tab and components. Game objects are containers in the scene which house functional elements. An empty game object is a set of transform variables consisting of position, rotation, and scale. An empty game object can be added to the scene through the Hierarchy Create menu, Hierarchy Context menu, or the Game Object drop-down menu. Every element present in the scene is contained in a game object, including other game objects. Nesting game objects is used for both organization and for parent-child operations. The Scene tab is the visual method for manipulating the transforms for game objects in the scene using the buttons in the toolbar above. The transform tools in the toolbar are Pan, Translate, Rotate, and Scale. The last button is used for GUI elements. Elements attached to game objects are called components and are accessible through the Inspector tab. Selecting a game object in the hierarchy will reveal the components attached to that game object in the Inspector, where they can be modified. Scripts also appear in the same manner with public variables visible for manipulation. Components add functionality and behavior to a game object. Adding components to the selected game object can be done through the Add Component button or through the Components dropdown. In the top right-hand corner of a component is a Help Reference button and a Context menu. From this context menu, components can be reset, have their variables copied, reordered, pasted as new components, have values pasted into them, or be removed from the game object. The arrow in the top left will collapse the component and the checkbox will enable it or disable it. Not all components have this checkbox. For instance, the transform component cannot be disabled. For more information on positioning game objects, different components, and the Inspector tab, refer to the Unity manual in the Help drop-down menu.